Hello, dear beloved children. Good morning to all of you. It is me, Suresh Bhardwaj, ex-TGT English, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. I am here before you to make you learn how to frame sentences, how to structure sentences on past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Past action in the past. Perfect action, that is perfect action. Action, perfect action in the past. Okay, generally for perfect action, Hindi example has been given here. डॉक्टर के आने से पूर्व रोगी मर चुका था. Two actions taking place together. मरना एंड आना. आना और मरना. Which action takes first? मरना. This action takes place first. मरना. And the second action, later action, आना. Action finishing faster, that is past perfect. That is past perfect. And action finishing later, that is past indefinite. Past indefinite. Action finishing first, past perfect. Action finishing later, that is simple past. Action finishing first, past perfect action, that is past perfect. Generalization of this tense is singular subject, plural subject, he, she, it, I, we, you, they. I, we, you, they. For every subject, each and every subject, okay, had followed by verb third form, past participle. Any subject, singular, plural subject, he, she, it, I, we, you, they. For any subject, had followed by verb third form, past participle. For your first action, rogi mar chuka tha. The patient had died, past participle, died. Second action, doctor ke aane se, doctor came. And for purv, pahle, before doctor came. The patient had died before doctor came. Just before, you see here before, just before, had verb third form. Before means pahle, just before, had. Okay. Second example, राम के सोने के बाद माता जी भोजन पकाई. Which action takes place first? राम के सोने के बाद माता जी भोजन पकाई. This is first action. And now माता जी भोजन पकाई, second action. Action finishing faster, that is past perfect. Ram had, राम के सोने के बाद माता जी भोजन पकाई means Ram had slept. After Ram had slept. And second action, माता जी भोजन पकाई. The mother cooked the food. Past indefinite. Past indefinite. After Ram had slept. Okay, this is your past perfect. This is your past perfect. And action finishing later, that is past indefinite. Action, later action, simple past, past indefinite. Action first, past perfect. Likely so many other sentences you may frame on this pattern. These are the some affirmative sentences have been written here on whiteboard. I had seen you before. मैं पहले आपको देख चुका था. The mother had already cooked food. माता जी पहले भोजन पका चुकी थी, पहले से ही भोजन पका चुकी थी. The students had left for Delhi. दिल्ली के लिए विद्यार्थी रवाना हो चुके थे, जा चुके थे. Affirmative sentence. Subject, subject, subject. Then had, and principal verb seen, cooked, left. Then object, SVO, in the form SVO. Subject, had, principal verb, past participle, object. These are the sentences, affirmative sentences. How to change into negative sentence? Just before principal verb. Principal verb seen here. Principal verb cooked. Principal verb reached. I had never seen you before. I had seen you before. Seen principal verb just before principal verb. Not, never to be used. The mother had left already, had already cooked food. The mother had not, just before principal verb not, had not cooked food by 6 a.m. Okay. People had not reached their homes till then. Reached, principal verb, just before principal not. These are the negative sentences. And how to frame interrogative sentence using helping verb for your yes and no response. Helping verb of this tense, that is had. Helping verb it is. Take helping verb out. Helping verb to be taken out. To get yes no response. Patient. Had the patient died. Had the patient died before the doctor came. I had seen you before. Had, take it out. Had I seen. Had taken out. Had I seen you before. Had I seen you before? Yes or no? To get yes no response, in that case, I had to be taken out, and that is to be used first to get yes no response. And if you want to frame interrogative sentences, other interrogative sentences using interrogative words, question words: who, what, where, when, why, how, etc. To be followed by question word, to be followed by helping verb had. Then subject mother, subject students, subject patient, subject I. But in the case of who, no subject already. Who refers to subject. It is like a subject. Okay, questioning or starting with who. So who had slept means who means person. Who refers to person. Speaker wants to know person. Who had left. What means object. What had the mother cooked. Where refers to place. Wants to know place. Where had the students left for. विद्यार्थी कहाँ जा चुके थे, चले जा चुके थे. When had the patient died. Patient कब मर चुका था. कब means time. When needs time to mention. Why means a reason. Speaker wants to know a reason. Why had I not seen you before? Why means reason. How, method, etc. So many other sentences you may frame on this system, on this pattern, okay, using the generalization, general rules of this tense. Okay, and now in this way you may learn so many other sentences, you may frame so many other sentences on this pattern. Dear students, please do share, please do like, share and subscribe, and try to watch full video, watch video fully, and to understand, for why, to understand, to learn more and more completely fully. Okay, wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you a lot.